Okay, let's get this thing started. I give up on the rain. It's not going to rain. I don't believe them. And we have white flesh dragon fruit. They need to be repotted real bad. They're hanging on by just a root. Then I was told that is called the black cactus rose. Oh, we have 4-foot across grow bags. Anybody want them? A collection of pots. And this is the pink-fleshed dragon fruit. And in tub number 1, we have night blooming jasmine. Number 2 is Cape honeysuckle. Number 3 is Swedish ivy. It stinks. Number 4 is a pink climbing geranium. Number 5 is Mexican sage. Number 6 is pink hydrangea. They're just breaking dormancy. Number 7 is red geranium. Number 8 is red salvia. We have a couple of celery and snake plants. And if you cut them off in like 3-inch sections, let them sit for a couple days, and then plant the cut end in, or the bottom in dirt, you'll end up with snake plants, several of them per thing. Plus we got some roots on those. Now, if anybody wants Jerusalem artichokes to either eat or plant, or both, let me know ahead of time, because I don't dig those until I am ready to eat them or plant them. And somebody put this succulent over here, I don't even know how many years ago. You can take all of that you want. And here we have both society garlic and garlic chives. If the flowers are white, they're garlic chives. If the flowers are purple, they're society garlic. I just put all the seeds in the same pot. And every Wednesday, if you want, I will put out bags of compost. And around the first weekend of the month, I will put out fresh chicken manure out of the chicken run. Now be careful with that and don't put it on your plants because it's hot. But both the compost and the chicken manure make excellent compost tea, or manure tea, or just garden tea. I will put the compost in the black trash can and the chicken manure in the blue trash can. Now here's another one you can help yourself to. You have to realize this is like 25 years old, and it's only in one little pot over here. But you may help yourself, or if you want, I would cut off chunks of it for you. And would anyone like spider plants? I have all 3 varieties. And of course the solid green. There's still more to bring out and to do, but maybe later. And my address is on the group's page. Discover some little loquats have come up this year. If anyone is interested, I can dig them up for you.